Looks to Egay, cuts in the middle for the short shot, no good. Jericho with the rebound. To Eman, who decides to shoot a three. Too strong. Jerome rebound.
All the way to Zion, yes. There it goes.
Down to Ryan, Eman. Foul, misses. By Ryan.
Line!
The Castro decides to shoot. Good shot by Jerome. For Ryan to carry in the middle. Who pops the 100 shot. Too strong. Ryan with the rebound.
All the way to Noel.
Strong. That's great. Jerome rebounds. Finds Vince who pops the jumper. Off right. Ryan with the rebound. Ryan dribbling.
On the offense, to Eman. Goes in for the drive. Gives it up to Egay. Misses. Rebound by Jericho.
Vince coming down. Setting up the play. Beats Ryan. Nice pass through. Jericho for the layup. He sets for three. Yes! Finally, Bob Paparas for
And
Jericho who spots for three. Switch. Zion. Bob Paparas looking in. Gives it all the way to Ryan. Who pops the three-pointer. Nice rebound by Eman. Rebound by Dwayne. To Ryan. Misses the layup. Jerome with the bounce to rebound. On the fast break. Jericho for the layup. 12-3. Maroon on the offense. 12-3. Gray.
Putting on the gas. Ryan goes to the baseline. Nice pass to Egay. Misses. Eman with the rebound. Too strong. Carry, rebounds, fires.